Hey, it's JP with Central Idaho Mountain Weather. It's November 17th, 2023. Sorry I had to take quite a hiatus this week. Had a series of unexpected events happen, but I'm back, and luckily there wasn't too much going on in the weather. So today we're gonna have another mostly sunny day, kind of last day of this upper level ridge. It's been giving us high pressure and nice weather. Highs in the upper 40s. Tomorrow it's going to be the same temperature, and a trough from the Pacific is starting to creep in. So we're going to have isolated showers in the afternoon. It might just be some virga. That's when the rain doesn't quite make it down to the valley floor. It just looks like kind of falling clouds from the sky. But I suspect we'll have a couple of very isolated showers. And that'll ramp up into Saturday night when a good band of moisture is going to be ahead of a cold front, and snow levels will drop down towards the valley floor. Looks like we could get a trace of snow Sunday morning, and it's going to be pretty windy Sunday. And so, yeah, this is looking at the winds. I don't have the chart with me, but you're looking at pretty much the Pioneer Mountains are going to be very windy, and over in the Smokies. Basically, if you get over 10,000 feet, it's going to be very gusty out there. And then looking at snow totals from the NWS Pocatello, there's some hot zones kind of in the Soldier Mountains. Looks like they're going to pick up to maybe 5 inches. Trinity's kind of the real sweet spot where they're going to maybe pick up a foot. And then the Western Smokies and up into the western side of the Sawtooth are going to do pretty well as well, picking up maybe upwards 8 inches in the high points, but probably looking like 3 to 5 inches most of that range. All right, looking at the infrared. Long wave radar. This is our stationary low. Kind of actually looks like there's 2 lows out here. So the main jet stream right now is kind of going up and over the U.S., the northern part of the U.S., and there's this closed low off of Pacific that's just been bringing pretty good rain to California. And that's left us with this nice high pressure ridge overhead, bringing us that nice weather this last week. But this is the trough that's going to be coming in from the Pacific. That's going to give us that weather Saturday night into Sunday. So skipping over today, nothing on the HRRR model, but you can see that storms start to come in, and then a couple pop-up showers, mostly around Galena and the Sawtooth. And kind of dropping a little bit further down towards Ketchum, right around sunset. But you can see the bulk of the moisture is coming in behind it. And this model only goes out so far, so about 36 hours. So we're going to have to wait for tomorrow to see where this band's going to set up in place. Let's look at rain or water equivalents first. You can see Trinity is going to pick up close to 3/4 of an inch. Soldier's 1/4 to 1/2 inch, and that's pretty much working up the Smoky Mountains. And then Sunday morning, a little bit less rain, but colder temperatures, so we might see more snow on that day in the mountains. So this is looking at the snow totals for Saturday through Sunday morning. And you can see that the upper elevations are going to be picking up more snow. And then as that snow line creeps further down, kind of have like more widespread snow going on. So you can see Baldy getting a whopping inch, maybe a couple inches out of here. That'll help the white ribbon of death not look so death-defying maybe for opening day. And it looks like there's a chance we might get down in South Valley here. And this is looking at the National Blend of Models, the NBM. So it looks like right at the airport could pick up 0.3 inches, and it's really a gamble whether that's going to be snow or not. You can see the after that cold front comes through, the early part of Sunday morning, right before sunrise, we have temperatures that are just hovering above freezing. So if that does if those do drop a little bit more, we could even see snow above freezing. It does happen. Yeah, and this is just another view. This is the NBM model of how much snow we're going to get. So you can see it has a little bit more widespread coating across the Smokies, the western side of the Smokies, and Sawtooth, picking up to about 7 or 8 inches across the crest there. And as you work down in lower elevation, that drops off towards more like 2 or 3 inches. All right, so that's what we got. I'll check in again tomorrow and then Sunday.